and welcome to Hardway Learning, where we look stupid so you don't have to. Today is the day that we take the Miata out of storage. A couple things you want to do. I have been tending the battery to make sure that it's holding its charge throughout the winter. And then before you start it, what I'm going to do, because I turbocharged it and there's oil lines and it's actually leaking oil right now, I think it's a front main seal or a cam seal, but I want to prime the oil pressure into the turbo before I start it. So I'm gonna pull the fuel relay and the fuse box in the engine bay, turn it over until I see fuel pressure in the dash. So if we look under the car, small leak, which is from just a couple days because I believe Charlie already cleaned the floor. But that fuel relay right over here, fuel injection. And that is this guy right here. It's gonna feel like you're breaking it, especially when you throw it on the ground. Or it didn't actually fall on the ground. All right, so now that we have that fuel relay out, we can prime, leave it in neutral. We can prime the oil pressure. All right, and we can see it slowly climbing. And we have oil pressure, so we'll return the relay and start the car. All right, now we have the fuel relay in. We should hear the fuel pump prime. I think I heard it prime. Yep. Just gonna prime it a couple times and try to start it. And that wasn't a bad start considering it sat all winter. So we'll let that start for a while.